Manila moves fast. Crowded streets, loud voices, and people trying to figure out where they belong. In the middle of it all is Archie, our calm observer, watching his friends navigate the messy, confusing world of identity. Samad struggles to balance tradition with the life he's building here. Irie feels pulled in different directions because of her mixed background. Their friends, Clara, Jamal, May, Rafi and Tess carry their own expectations, pressures, and questions. Together, they're learning that identity isn't something you're handed. It's something you slowly discover. And sometimes, the best way to find yourself is with each other.
Another day in Manila, crowded, hot, busy, and full of people trying to figure out who they are, including us. The parents want to teach me their certificate. They say I shouldn't forget where I came from.
I'm mixed, so everyone gets telling me where am I. Online school, even random people, but honestly, I don't even know yet.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Hey, what's up?
What's up? What's wrong? You look so sad.
These two, they open up about their traditional and cultural identity.
Guys, identity is a static or a filter. You don't need like a picture. As someone from a migrant family, I always feel caught between two worlds. I'm trying to belong, but I don't want to lose my culture.
And also, I panic because everyone expects something from me. Family, friends, even myself.
My For You page keeps telling me to fix my life, but I can't even fix it. My sleep schedule.
We're all trying to fit into boxes that were made before we were even born.
Maybe the point isn't to fix the box.
But to make our own space.
Somewhere our roots and our choices can both matter.
We
We choose who we become.